Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this Philips television. It's a 32-inch TV. Here's the model number. Trying to see what year it was made. It's a fairly new model, but that's what we have. Here's our business card if you guys have any question. Alright, we come over here and first thing we're going to look at is part number of the panel, which is right here. Here's a picture of the whole set. It has 1, 2, 3 boards. This side here, this side panel has USB, HDMI, and component. Here's 2 HDMIs. Here's a label on the board. Okay. I'm not sure if that's part number or not, but you could use this number, I guess. Alright. Here's a picture of this board. Okay. I always like to do part number off the tuner, which is right here. Alright. Here's a picture of the inverter board. Okay. And part number off of it is this thing right here. Okay. Let's see what's on this label here, see if that would help us. Alright, and I think this is just a serial number. I don't have the base for this pedestal, otherwise I would have showed you guys. But thanks for watching, YouTube. That'll conclude my video.